Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So just like I promised that I'm going to bring 10 best 2D 3D questions. So without wasting time, let's get straight to it. So we're having this question here. I took this from another paper. I don't remember which year, but anyway, let's solve this. So they said express AC in terms of x. So this is our AC. They said we must express it in terms of x. So I think the easier way, x is in this triangle. So let's just work it in this triangle, right? So don't forget that we're having 3 triangles. So now let's focus on this triangle only, right? So AC in this triangle, this is the hypotenuse, right? So this is the hypotenuse because we're having the 90 degrees there, right? So we're having the hypotenuse and the x is our adjacent. So it is easier to use the ratio of cos theta, right? So number 1, we can say cos of theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So it means that our cos of theta, because our adjacent is x over our hypotenuse, which is AC. So multiplying out there, it means that our AC is equals to x over cos of theta, like that. So this is our answer to this first question. So it means that our AC is equals to x over cos of theta, just like that, right? So let's move to number 2. So number 2 is saying express PC in terms of x. PC in terms of x, right? If we check in this triangle, this is not a right angled triangle, right? So it's either we can use the sine rule or the cosine rule, right? So in this triangle here, if we want to check PC, this is PC, right? But we don't have a lot of information that we can use the cosine rule. So let's try the sine rule. The sine rule, we know that we must have 2 angles and 2 sides. So you can see that this side is opposite to this angle, right? And this side is opposite to this angle. So it means that we must find this angle first before we can use that. But finding this angle, it is very simple because we are told that QP is parallel to AC. Can you see that these lines, they are parallel? So it means that this angle automatically becomes this angle here by alternative angle. So we must put that in writing, right? So it means that we can say on number 2, we can say angle QPC is equals to theta, which is equals to PCA. Why? These are alternative angles, and don't forget to show that QP is parallel to CA, like that, right? So now we can proceed using the sine rule. So with the sine rule, now we know that our QC over our angle, our sine angle beta is equals to our PC over sine angle theta. So it means that this over this and this over that, right? So it means that now we can make PC subject of the formula now, right? So now our PC becomes this multiplying this side becomes QC multiplied by QC is actually x, right? So QC, it is x. So this is x multiplied by sine of theta all over sine of beta. So this PC becomes that. Can you see that? So let's just write that down. So it means that here now our PC is equals to x multiplied by sine of theta all over sine of beta, right? Okay, so let's go on to number 3. So this question is saying we must show that the area of triangle APC is equal to that, right? So where is triangle APC? This is triangle APC right there. And again, it is not a right angled triangle, so it means that we must use the area rule. But using the area rule now becomes so simple because AC we are having it already, PC we are having it already, and we're also having the included angle. So let's find the area using the area rule. So number 3, it means that our area of triangle APC will be equals to half PC multiplied by AC and then sine of beta. So let's continue. So this means that, so after applying this formula, it means that now we are trying to what? To solve the identity. We are trying to make whatever that this is be equals to that. So this would be equals to half, and then our PC is x sine theta over sine beta being multiplied by AC, which is x over cos of theta, and then lastly sine of beta, right? So this is the same as x multiplied by x. This gives us x squared sine theta and then sine beta all over, right? And then this is half, so it means that this becomes 2 sine of beta and then cos of theta, right? So lastly, it means that we can cancel out what can be cancelled, right? So this becomes x squared, so sine beta and sine beta there, we can cancel that. So this is x squared sine of theta divided by 2 cos of theta, and this is equals to that. So that's how we can do it. So please like, comment and share, and please subscribe if you enjoyed this. See you on the next one.